In addition to Aliyot being called up to recite a blessing over the Torah, there are two other Torah-related honors. Hagbah. Following the Torah reading, a person is called up to the bimah, platform, to raise the Torah scroll in the air, thereby making at least some of its contents readily visible to the congregation. While the Torah is raised, the congregation begins to sing Zot HaTorah. Here's how to perform hagbah. When called to the bimah, platform, take your place as directed. It is customary to open the scroll so a portion, a few columns, of the text is showing. Grasp the scroll by the bottom handles and pull it down until the middle of the scroll is on the edge of the table. Push down on the handles using the table as a fulcrum, and then raise the Torah scroll. Lift the Torah scroll and turn around so your back is to the congregation. Sit down where you are shown. Hold the Torah at lap level as the one who dresses the Torah binds and covers it with its mantle. When the scroll is fully dressed, the person who dressed the Torah will sit next to you. You will remain seated, still holding the Torah, while the bar bat mitzvah student reads the Haftorah portion. The rabbis will be right beside you to assist you in performing this honor. Galilah. Here's how to perform galilah, or the binding and dressing of the Torah scroll. Wait until the one who raised the Torah is seated. Grasp the top handles and turn them until the parchment is tight. Put the Torah belt around the scroll about halfway down. The closure, clasp, buckle, velcro, etc. should be over the front of the scroll, where the scroll opens. Put the mantle, Torah cover, over the scroll. The front of the mantle should be over the front of the scroll, where the scroll opens. Place the yad, pointer, over the handle to your left. Sit on the bench next to the person who raised the Torah. You will remain seated while the bar bat mitzvah student reads the Haftorah portion. The rabbis will be right beside you to assist you in performing this honor.